Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome guys. We are going to study input output in Python programming. Input. This function first takes the input from the user and converts it into a string. The type of the returned object always will be class str. It does not evaluate the expression, it just returns the complete statements as string. For example, Python provides a built-in function called input, which takes the input from user. When the input function is called, it stops the program and waits for the user input. When the user presses enter, the program resumes and returns what the user typed. How input function works in Python. When input function executes, program flow will be stopped until the user has given input. The text or message displayed on output screen to ask a user to enter an input value is optional. The prompt which will be printed on the screen is optional. Whatever you enter as input, the input function converts it into a string. If you enter an integer value, still input function converts it into a string. You need to explicitly convert it into integer in your code using typecasting. Output. The output can be we can use output by the print function. To output your data to the screen, use the print function. Example: print enter your name. That is display enter your name. X equal input. It is a variable which contains the value of input. For example, Sammy. Print hello plus x. X it means the value of the variable x that is an input. For example, hello comma Sammy. Practice. Now we are going to practice in Visual Studio Code. Name input, enter your name, that is display enter your name. For example, Sammy. Enter your age, for example 20, and print you are the variable name, you are Sammy, and your age 20 years old. Thank you for watching. To the next video.